Welcome once again, fellow traders, to my channel. You are indeed welcome. Highly, highly, and verily welcome. Okay, so right now I've done with the beginner stage. Yes, I've at least given you what you need to know from beginner level to intermediate level. All these are in place. I have all these videos. You just search for proper FX 99 SMC. All these videos are there. You don't have any problem. Once you go through to the last stage, you at least have a way of dealing with the market, the forex market, how to analyze the chart. And my videos are basically for educational purpose. I'm not a financial expert or financial advisor. Just take note of that because that is very important. So you've been educated, or at least you've learned so far how the market is being analyzed. And I'm telling you, this is very expensive. These videos are very, very expensive. You just see it simple like that because it is being at your disposal. People are paying a lot of money for it. You understand? Yes, so that is why I'm saying you just have to just be patient and follow the videos from the scratch. Learn at least. Let me know your complaints. If you have any challenges, just let me know. Just comment and share. Okay. So our next thing that I'll be talking, that one I'll be dealing in the maybe in the advanced session. When we'll be talking about certain trading practices, the psychology behind trading. You know, everything is about money. Trading is about money. But if you focus more on the money, you are going to be greedy. If you focus more on the money, you are going to be greedy. So you just take it as a game, like a game with how many lives? A game with maybe 10 lives. If you are playing a particular game, you get it. The more lives you have, that is the better part. So whenever you have let's say $1,000. If you have $1,000 and you want to play maybe your lives, you just have $1,000. So you just take it like, okay, how many chances should I give myself in this game if I have 1,000? Okay, so maybe if I'm taking a particular trade, just one trade, if I'm placing a particular trade, I will just risk out of the $1,000, I will just risk 1% of that $1,000. You get it? So let's use the text. Oh, out of that particular trade, I will just risk that $1,000. I should have used Excel, but this is okay. So account balance. You have $1,000 at your disposal. Okay, so out of this $1,000, maybe I can divide this $1,000 in many ways that I can trade more in the market. I can have so many chances in the market. Just one decision alone will not give you enough money in the market. Just one trade will not make you. We have it. A particular trade can make you rich. But you don't have to gamble. Just follow a systematic. So I'll just divide this. Maybe if I want to, my $1,000, I would like to place about 100 trades. So if I want to do that, it means each of the trade will be each trade risk, the amount I'll be risking on each trade will be equal to the 1,000 divided by what? 100. The number of trades. You get it? Let me put the number of trades here. So number of trades is equal to at least 100. So each trade risk, the amount that you have to risk, you will have to divide your account balance, which is 1,000, divided by the number of trades, which is the 100. And with this, you will get at least $10. You get it. You get at least $10 per each trade. Okay, so that is it. Not one particular trade will give you the higher probability. And if you are doing this, it means you are going to stay more in the market, because there will be days you will lose and there will be days you will win. Somebody will decide to, okay, me, I am good. Maybe I'm good with my analysis. I want to target with $10. You get it. 10 trades, only 10 trades for $1,000. Because whenever I trade at least $10, my win rate is 7. With data, the person has gotten some win rate. So here, instead of the 100, you just replace this one with 10. And here it means you will be risking how many $100 per each trade, which means whatever trade I do, if let's say market is going down currently, if I should place I'm just using the short position, something like this. So like this, then to this level. If I'm risking, the amount I'm losing within this stop loss is, this is $980. So I'll just set it in a way that at least I lose maybe $100 or something. So I have the $1,000, and to lose $100 out of it, that would be something like 10%, right? This is percentage. You get it? Okay. It seems I still have issue with the settings here. Mostly, I don't know why I'm not able to set this one, but you can just play around it. I'm supposed to lose 10%, so the lot size is supposed to at least adjust. But it seems here the lot size actually influenced the decision. Okay, nothing is still happening. All right. So with your broker platform, I've already explained that in how to buy and sell. If you watch that particular video, you understand what I'm talking about. You can just set it. So here, it's all about risk management. Risk management, you manage your risk. If I'm losing, if I have this amount, how many trades? Maybe from history, maybe from your practice. That is what I'm saying. You should practice for about 6 months. Those are the best practices. From my history, I'm able to, if I perform 10 trades, I'm able to win it maybe 4 out of 6. You get it? So out of the 4 out of 6, which means your win rate is somehow small. But sometimes your win rate may be small, but you may be ending up with profit because we have like good risk to reward ratio. Imagine placing this trade from here all the way down to this point, 4.95%. If you are losing just $900, when you win, you are winning 900 times the 4.95, which is 1,495, approximately $1,500. You get it? So maybe your win rate may be low, but you still end up in profit, and that is also not bad. It is never bad at all. You get it? So just manage yourself. Risk management is very key, and at the same time, you have to be patient. Money, there is an addictive power of money, especially if it is your first time coming to the market. There is something like an addiction with this particular chart. You must learn to stay away from it. When you do your analysis and you are okay, maybe if you are waiting for confirmation here, I'm just waiting for price to come all the way down here. Then I will enter focusing price going up. You understand? You just need to wait. Don't rush the market, right? If your analysis is telling you place the trade from here, just wait, because you are expecting price to come down all the way to this place. You don't have any proper analysis to base, or maybe around this place too. You can see that now we have this candle telling us something, at least telling us price wants to come down. So you are targeting price to come here. So once the market comes to this place, you want to place your trade You want to place your trade all the way from, it will be a sell, right? Because we are expecting price to come down. All the way from this place, you have this small target, then to this zone. You get it? Just wait for price from this point. Price will get to your point of interest before you enter. Because if you don't do that and you rush in the market, you are going to lose. Sometimes, imagine from here, I just see that price is going down. So here, I just place my trade here. Look at the amount I'm here is $900, but the risk is, the amount I'm gaining is 1,088.62. Sometimes you enter a particular lot size here, and for you to extend this lot size, you'll be risking a whole amount of money bigger than what you expected, and that will kill you. You understand? So the whole concept about trading is more of a game of patience. Just be patient. You have to wait for price to come to your point of interest, your POI. Once price gets to those points, you can have your pending orders, your orders around that point, or you just watch for confirmation there, then you enter. You get it? All right. So that is it. You don't have to be greedy, eh? Don't be greedy in the market. With time, you get to, especially if you're a beginner. If you're an advanced trader, I'm sure you know what I mean. And with trading, if you don't take time, you practice the charts, at least get a data for yourself. If you don't do all those things, that one too with time will affect you. Just get to know yourself. Trading is going to expose you. One, you see, when I was talking about this, I said not all the trades. You cannot win all the trades. You get it? You can't win all the trades. So this is not like a school that always you want to be the first in class. If you have that psychology, don't think that you are very smart. The market always moves to the direction that it wants. You don't have to, you just have to follow it. Follow it where the price is going. You have to follow it. And at least make your analysis, like just conform to what they are giving you, they are presenting to you. Don't trade against the market. You don't predict for the market. You can do that when you are an expert in it, but even that one, you have to wait for confirmation. You get it? Wait for extreme confirmation before you enter, just for you to be safe. Okay, so I said trading will let you know who you are. If you are greedy, you will never be stable until you learn not to be greedy in the market. You get it? If you are the type that when you talk, it's like, that is final. Final from the point that you think what your decision for the market is what the market is going to follow. No, the market will prove you the otherwise. You get it? So all these things will be there. The faster you are able to overcome these temptations to yourself, the faster you are able. If you are, somebody to place the trade, maybe small movements, he will move in some small amount of money, then the person will be glad. And instead of waiting for the price to get to the final destination, you just exit, come out from the market. All those will have their negative impact with time. But that will also determine whether you're a scalper, a position trader, or swing trader. Just know yourself. Once you know yourself from this point, you know yourself by practicing. Practice for at least, once you get to know the knowledge, because you have been following my videos, practice for at least 6 months, 6 months to 1 year. Get enough data when you to back you, right, before you take any decision. All right, I'll end the video here. You are once again welcome to my channel. My next videos will be for the advanced stage, where we will be combining everything. I've already combined one for the at least intermediate, from beginner to intermediate, just for you to have the feel of it. By the advanced stage, we will have at least, we will be analyzing the charts on a weekly basis, possibly, and if possible, maybe 2 or 3 days in a week. Yeah, but at least one time, just one for the week, for us to know what we are looking at. Thank you, guys. Kindly subscribe, share, and comment this video.